Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
I will show 3 methods to add links to Notion. Each method works on desktop and mobile apps the same way. First, use the / command to create inline links inside text. Second, paste a URL to auto-create a link preview card. Third, use the link block to attach links to a page or database. I will demonstrate the exact keystrokes and taps for each platform. Follow these steps and you will consistently add links in seconds. Type /link or use CMDK to create an inline link quickly. Highlight text first to convert it directly into a hyperlink. Paste a URL and press Enter to generate a link preview card automatically. If you prefer clean text, press CMDK then paste URL to display link text instead of the raw address. On mobile, tap the text, choose link, then paste the URL into the field. These actions produce either inline hyperlinks or rich preview cards in under a minute. Use the link block to attach links to a database or specific page. You can drag that block into any section or into a database property. Toggle Open in New tab when embedding external sites for convenience and testing. Use custom link text for readability and SEO when publishing publicly. Organize links using headings, tags, and a dedicated links database with URL and notes fields. Regularly audit links to update or remove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.